Going down to Brooklyn. And,
so anyways, nobody that works at Barberry when I worked there is there anymore. Dan works at Five Leaves now. He Ledger's restaurant. He works at Five Leaves.
I was like,
He works there and he also works at Bar Chinatown. Kelly got some.
Lollipop is, popsicle is like a frozen one. That's exactly what it is.
And it's only 99 cents. And it lasts
99 cents for like 24.
And then Erica went out and I used just
Oh, but it's beautiful, baby.
And you know what? Take out the red. Take the blue and white, baby. Dude, give me the keep the red, baby. Put it down in the village. We'll take the blue. Blue.
It's
all about the blue. That's why they put the blue on top.
Viva la France.
Yeah. Over there with the Statue of Liberty, right?